បាទសួស្តីបងប្អូនគ្នាស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Channel គង្វុនអេរបស់ខ្ញុំបាទវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញបងប្អូនពីរបៀបបាទ Trade Future បាទនៅក្នុងគណនី OKX បងប្អូនណាបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំនឹងបញ្យល់លម្អិតបងប្អូនបន្ថែមទៀតតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងការ Trade Future នេះតើវាមានហានិភ័យកម្រិតណាបាទហើយបើសិនជាបងប្អូនអត់ទាន់មានគណនី OKX បងប្អូនណាបាទសូមមើលវីដេអូមួយនេះបាទខ្ញុំនឹងដាក់ link នៅខាងក្រោមវីដេអូ description ជូនបងប្អូនអរគ្នាបាទឬនៅក្នុង pin comment បាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនអាចបង្កើតគណនី OKXមើលវីដេអូនេះទៅដាក់ link ឬចុចតាម link ឬក៏បង្កើតតាម referral code ហ្នឹងបងប្អូននឹងទទួលបានលុយ rebate 20% ពេញមួយជីវិតឬក៏អាចថាចំណេញ free 20% ពេញមួយជីវិតតែម្ដងហើយ special មែនទែនបាទអូខេអញ្ចឹងត្រឡប់មកកាន់ exchange យើងវិញបាទតើការ trade future គឺជាអ្វីបងប្អូនណាបាទការ trade future គឺជាការ trade ដែលយើងអាចរកផលចំណេញបានទាំងទីផ្សារចុះនិងទីផ្សារឡើងក៏ប៉ុន្តែបងប្អូនឲ្យ make sure ថាបងប្អូនចូលស្របជាមួយនឹងទីផ្សារបាទនេះគឺជាចំណុចដែលយើងថាបានចំណេញឬក៏ខាតគឺអាស្រ័យទៅលើយើងនឹងចូលស្របឬក៏ចូលបច្រាស់មានន័យថាបើសិនជាបងប្អូនគាត់ថាទីផ្សារនឹងចុះយើងចូលទៅ short នោះយើងនឹងចំណេញបើយើងគាត់ថាទីផ្សារនឹងឡើងយើងចូលទៅបើក long នោះយើងនឹងចំណេញបងប្អូនណាបាទអូខេឥឡូវខ្ញុំនឹងប្រាប់បងប្អូនថាតើយើងត្រូវ future របៀបម៉េចបាទអញ្ចឹងដំបូងបងប្អូនត្រូវតែមានលុយនៅក្នុង trading account សិនបងប្អូនណាបាទហើយលុយនៅក្នុង trading account នេះបាទគឺជាលុយ copy trade ទេបាទដែលខ្ញុំបានដាក់ copy trade បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងធ្វើការ trade future អត់កើតទេបាទដោយសារលុយ copy trade អញ្ចឹងដើម្បីធ្វើការ trade បានសម្រាប់បងប្អូនថ្មីបើជាអត់ទាន់មានលុយក្នុងកន្លែង trading account នេះទេអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនត្រូវការ transfer បាទដូចជា spot ដែរបាទម្សិលមិញខ្ញុំធ្វើវីដេអូបញ្យល់ពី spot បាទអញ្ចឹងបើបងប្អូនបានមើលវីដេអូ trade spot នេះបងប្អូននឹងយល់ឲ្យវាខុសគ្នាបន្តិចបន្តួចប៉ុណ្ណោះបងប្អូនណាបាទអូខេអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនត្រូវការ transfer funding នេះបាទលុយនៅក្នុង funding នេះចូលមកកាន់ trading account ជាមុនសិនទើបយើងអាចធ្វើការ trade future បានបាទអូខេឥឡូវយើងចាប់ផ្ដើម transfer របស់គ្នាបងប្អូនចុច line transfer នេះមកបន្តមកទៀតវាដាក់ from trading to from funding to trading អញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំមាន$100ដែរខ្ញុំ transfer $100ចូលដើម្បីធ្វើការ trade future បាទខ្ញុំចុច confirm មកអូខេបន្តមកទៀតបងប្អូនចុចឲ្យប៊ូតុង trade នេះបាទចុចដូចគ្នាបាទចុចប៊ូតុង1ចុចមួយទៀតមកបាទធ្វើម៉េចឲ្យវា load pop up ចេញទាំងអស់នេះបងប្អូនណាបាទចេញទាំងអស់នេះហើយយើងចុចលើយក future បងប្អូនណាបាទមានន័យយើងកំពុងតែ trade future អូខេមកដល់ចំណុចនេះខ្ញុំចង់ប្រាប់បងប្អូនមួយតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង future តើវាមានហានិភ័យកម្រិតណាបាទ future ពិតជាមានហានិភ័យខ្លាំងមែនទែនតែសម្រាប់បងប្អូនដែលគាត់ថ្មីបងប្អូនណាបាទអ្នកថ្មីគឺហានិភ័យខ្លាំងឬក៏ខ្ពស់បាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំអត់ recommend ឲ្យបងប្អូនថ្មីដែលគាត់មិនទាន់បានសិក្សារៀនសូត្រស្វែងយល់ដើម្បីក្នុងការទៅ trade future ទេបាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនអាចធ្វើការតេស្តចំនួន amount តិចតួចណាមួយសម្រាប់ធ្វើការសាកល្បងបាទបើសិនជាបងប្អូនចូលផ្លឹបtrade លក្ខណៈទ្រង់ទ្រាយធំឬមួយក៏ទៅចង់បានចំណេញច្រើននោះសម្រាប់អ្នកថ្មីហ្មងគឺហានិភ័យខ្ពស់ហើយខ្ញុំសូម recommend ឲ្យបងប្អូនបាទចូលទៅមើលមេរៀនបាទមេរៀនដែលខ្ញុំបានបរៀនឬក៏ខ្ញុំបានដាក់វានៅក្នុងគ្រប់ណាបងប្អូនណាបាទបងប្អូនអាចចូលទៅមើល YouTube ខ្ញុំក៏បានបងប្អូនអាចចូលទៅរៀននៅក្នុង channel ក៏បានដែរបងប្អូនគ្រាន់តែខ្ញុំដាក់ link នៅខាងក្រោម video description ជូនបងប្អូនអាច join គ្រប់មកហើយបងប្អូនចូលកន្លែង chat នេះបាទ apply មកខ្ញុំនឹងពេលដែលខ្ញុំ check មើលខ្ញុំនឹងនេះបងប្អូននេះបាទអាចព្រួយបងប្អូនចូលពេលដែលបងប្អូនចូលហើយបងប្អូនគ្រាន់តែចុចចង់បានមេរៀនទីនោះបងប្អូនឆ្លាស់មកបាទហើយ trade បាទនោះវានឹងចេញមកបងប្អូនណាបាទនេះឃើញទេវានឹងចេញ link វីដេអូមកសម្រាប់បងប្អូនធ្វើការរៀនសូត្រហើយបងប្អូនណាឃើញទេបាទនេះអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនអាចធ្វើការស្វែងយល់ការគូក្រាបបាទបង្កើត trading view អញ្ចឹងមកបាទមេរៀនទី1ទី2មាននឹងទាំងអស់បងប្អូនណាបាទអូខេអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនអាចចុច link ហ្នឹងទៅវានឹង link ទៅដល់មេរៀនដែលបងប្អូនរៀនហើយបាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនចាំបងប្អូនរៀនបាទរៀនឲ្យចប់ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងសិនចាំបងប្អូនធ្វើការរៀនសាកល្បង trade បងប្អូនណាបាទហើយបងប្អូនចង់បាន lesson បងប្អូនគ្រាន់តែ slash lesson មេរៀនចេះមកបាទហើយបងប្អូនចុច send ទៅវានឹងចេញមេរៀនឲ្យបងប្អូននេះឃើញទេបងប្អូនអាចបងចុចលើហ្នឹងទៅនេះគឺជាមេរៀនបងប្អូនណាបាទអញ្ចឹងមេរៀនបញ្យល់អំពី trend line អ្វីទៅជា up trend down trend ឃើញបងប្អូន sideways support zone បាទ resistance មាន support និង resistance និយាយរួមមានទាំងអស់បងប្អូនណាបាទបងប្អូនឃើញណាបាទមាន candlestick ទាំង32និយាយរួមខ្ញុំបានធ្វើវីដេអូនេះគឺសម្រាប់ចែករំលែកដល់បងប្អូនតាំងពីយូរមកហើយបាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនគាត់ពេលខ្លះបងប្អូនអត់ដឹងថាទៅរៀននៅកន្លែងណាយកកន្លែងណាបងប្អូនណាបាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនឃើញទេបាទគឺបងប្អូនអាចយកវាមករៀនដោយ free បាទបងប្អូនណាបាទដោយគ្រាន់តែធ្វើការ join គ្រប់នេះ KVXS channel របស់ខ្ញុំប៉ុណ្ណោះបងប្អូនណាបាទអូខេអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនដឹងកន្លែងយកមេរៀនដើម្បីយករៀនហើយបាទឥឡូវបងប្អូនត្រឡប់មកនេះវិញបាទខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការ trade future បងប្អូនមើលបាទប៉ុន្តែសូមបញ្ជាក់ម្ដងទៀតវីដេអូនេះមិនមែនជា financial advisor ទេបងប្អូនណាបាទគាត់តែបង្ហាញបងប្អូនឲ្យបងប្អូនចេះ trade ហើយនឹងយល់អំពីកម្រិតនៃហានិភ័យគឺពិតជាខ្ពស់មែនទែនសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលថ្មីសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលអត់ចេះអ្នកអត់បានរៀនអញ្ចឹងសូមប្រយ័ត្នទាំងអស់គ្នាបងប្អូនណាបាទសម្រាប់ដែលគាត់ចេះហើយគាត់មានជំនាញហើយវាជារឿងធម្មតាតែសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលថ្មីគឺពិតជាគ្រោះថ្នាក់ខ្លាំងមែនទែនបាទសម្រាប់ future នេះបាទអូខេឥឡូវឧទាហរណ៍ថាយើងចង់ trade អញ្ចឹងដំបូងបងប្អូនសូមបញ្ជាក់ម្ដងទៀតបងប្អូនចុចកន្លែង trade នេះហើយយើងរើសយកប៊ូតុង future បងប្អូនណាបាទបន្តមកទៀតវាមាននេះ open long និង open short ដូចខ្ញុំបញ្ជាក់ខាងដើមអញ្ចឹង open long មានន័យថាបើយើងគិតថាទីផ្សារនឹងឡើងយើងចុច open long ទៅបាទយើងចុច open long មានន័យថាបើសិនទីផ្សារនឹងឡើងយើងចំណេញហើយបាទហើយ open short មានន័យថាសម្រាប់ទីផ្សារចុះបើឧទាហរណ៍ថាយើងគិតថាទីផ្សារនឹងធ្លាក់នឹងចុះអញ្ចឹងយើងចុច open short បាទអូខេអញ្ចឹងនៅកន្លែងនេះពេលដែលបងប្អូនបើកបងប្អូនខ្លះអាចនឹងមានកន្លែងនេះគឺគេដាក់ isolate បាទ isolate ចេះហ៎បាទយ៉ាង isolate គឺជាអ្វី isolate មានន័យថាវាត្រូវតាមមកគូនឹងហើយកម្រិតនៃហានិភ័យទាបបងប្អូនណាបាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនអាចកំណត់វាដាក់ isolate ក៏ប៉ុន្តែបងប្អូននឹងពិបាក trade បន្តិចពេលខ្លះលុយយើងច្រើនយើងចង់ទប់ account ឬអីវាឆាប់ដាច់ position ចាប់ close position ដោយអូតូណាអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនអាចធ្វើការដូរវាបាទដូរកន្លែង isolate ហ្នឹងបងប្អូនដូរវាមក cross មកបងប្អូនណាបាទអូខេហើយការ trade future នេះដែរឧទាហរណ៍ថាបើសិនជាដាច់ position គឺវាដាច់តែលុយនៅក្នុង future ហ្នឹងទេបងប្អូនណាបាទនេះដាច់តែលុយនៅក្នុង future ហ្នឹងទេដែលយើង transfer 100មិញណាបាទហើយសម្រាប់កន្លែងផ្សេងfunding អីគឺវាអត់តាក់ទងទេបងប្អូនណាបាទអញ្ចឹងកន្លែងហ្នឹងបងប្អូនគួរតែដឹងដែរអូខេឥឡូវឧទាហរណ៍ថាបងប្អូនចង់ trade គូណាមួយអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនអាចចុចកន្លែង future ខាងលើនេះហើយបងប្អូនចុចកន្លែងនេះមកនេះបងប្អូនរើសគូមកបាទរើសគូแล้วបងប្អូនចង់ចុច Ethereum ទីហោណាអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនវាយពី Ethereum ETH ហ្នឹងបាទ Ethereum បងប្អូនមើលណាគឺអត់ឲ្យយើងគូ Ethereum យើងមើលគូណាដែលវាមានអក្សរ perpetual contract ហ្នឹងបងប្អូនណាបាទនេះឃើញទេបាទហើយវាគូជាមួយនឹងកាក់ដែលយើងបាញ់ចូលឬក៏ដែលយើងមាន USDT អញ្ចឹង Ethereum USDT perp មានន័យថាជា Ethereum បែបtrade future ហើយបងប្អូនណាបាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនចុចលើវាបាទបន្ទាប់ពីចុចលើវាយើងកន្លែង x នេះបាទកន្លែង x នេះគឺមានន័យថាយើងអាចដំឡើងឬបរួមបានតាមចិត្តរបស់យើងបាទអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាបងប្អូនដាក់ x កាន់តែធំហានិភ័យកាន់តែខ្ពស់ប៉ុន្តែបងប្អូនអាចបើកបាទអាចបើក position បានធំបានច្រើនដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែហានិភ័យខ្ពស់បើបងប្អូនដាក់ x កាន់តែតូចបងប្អូនណាបាទគឺបងប្អូនអាចបើក position បានដូចគ្នាគ្រាន់តែថាបងប្អូនបើកបានតិចបាទតិចហើយហានិភ័យក៏ទាបដូចគ្នាដែរអញ្ចឹងជំរឿនបងប្អូនគឺនៅលើបងប្អូនអស់គ្នាថាតើបងប្អូនចង់មានហានិភ័យតិចឬក៏មានហានិភ័យខ្ពស់កម្រិតណាហ្នឹងអាស្រ័យលើបងប្អូនទេបងប្អូនណាបាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនគាត់អាចជ្រើសរើសវានៅ level ណាមួយមកហើយបងប្អូនចុច confirm មកបាទហើយបងប្អូនយកពាក្យ continue way មកហ្នឹងគឺជាការជ្រើស level អញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនត្រូវចាំថាអ្វីសំខាន់នោះគឺ size ទោះបីបងប្អូនដាក់ level តូចដល់ធំហើយប៉ុន្តែបើសិនជា size បងប្អូនចូលតូចគឺហានិភ័យបងប្អូនទាបបាទហានិភ័យបើសិនជាបងប្អូនដាក់ level បងប្អូនតូចបាទតែហានិភ័យsize បងប្អូនចូលធំគឺហានិភ័យខ្ពស់ដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹងleverage វាគាត់ជាមេគុណបំផោងសាច់ប្រាក់ដើម្បីឲ្យយើងនឹងបើក position តូចឬក៏ធំបានប៉ុណ្ណោះបាទហើយតែច្រើនគឺអាស្រ័យនៅលើបងប្អូនចូលផ្សាយប៉ុណ្ណោះអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនត្រូវចាំណាបាទផ្សាយវាគឺជាទំហំទឹកប្រាក់ដែលយើងចូលផ្សារអូខេឥឡូវខ្ញុំឧទាហរណ៍ Ethereum មួយអូខេឥឡូវឧទាហរណ៍ខ្ញុំ Ethereum ឧទាហរណ៍ថាខ្ញុំចូល 0.01 ជាឧទាហរណ៍បងប្អូនបាទនេះ 0.01 Ethereum នេះខ្ញុំបើក position 0.01 អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំគិតអូទីផ្សារ Ethereum ហើយចុះហើយខ្ញុំគិតអញ្ចឹងណាឬក៏បងប្អូនវិភាគតាមក្រាបឬមេរៀនដែលខ្ញុំឲ្យទៅគឺថាវាអាចនឹងចុះអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនបើក position នេះខ្ញុំបើក test ទេបងប្អូនបើកប៉ុន្មានជារឿងរបស់បងប្អូនទេបាទបន្តមកទៀតយើងចុចពាក្យថា short នេះយើងគិតថាបើទីផ្សារចុះយើង short ចេះមកបាទបើក short ហើយយើងចុច confirm បន្តមកទៀតបងប្អូននឹងឃើញ visual នេះឃើញឃើញ visual ថាយើងបាន short នៅចំណុចហ្នឹងហើយបាទយើងមើល graph ក៏យើងឃើញថាយើង short នៅចំណុចហ្នឹងដែរឃើញអត់អាហ្នឹងនៅក្នុង OKX ណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើង short នៅចំណុចហ្នឹងបើសិនជាយើង short ហើយនេះ Ethereum អត់ឡើង Ethereum ចុះបាទ Ethereum អាចចុះដល់នេះទៅគឺវានឹងចំណេញទៅតាមទំហំ size ដែលបងប្អូនចូលបាទហើយវានឹងចេញពណ៌បៃតងនេះកន្លែងនេះណាបាទបងប្អូនចុចកន្លែង position មកវានឹងលូតមកឃើញទេអញ្ចឹងកន្លែងនេះបើសិនយើងចំណេញវានឹងចេញពណ៌បៃតងបើសិនជាខាតវាចេញពណ៌ខៀវពណ៌ក្រហមអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនណាបាទនេះឃើញហើយកន្លែងនេះខ្ញុំប្រាប់មុខងារបន្ថែមទៀតកន្លែងនេះគឺដាក់ size អត់បងប្អូននេះឃើញកន្លែងគឺដាក់ size បាទកន្លែងនេះដាក់ size មានទំហំដែលយើងចូលផ្សារបាទហើយកន្លែងខាងក្រោម entry price មានន័យថាគឺជាកន្លែងដែលយើងចូលមានតម្លៃដែលយើងចូលណាខ្ញុំបានចូលនៅវានៅតម្លៃ$1959បាទខ្ញុំចូលហើយខាងលើនេះ margin 0.14 គឺវាតិចមែនទេដោយសារអីដោយសារខ្ញុំបើក position តែ 0.01 គឺវាតិចបាទគឺខ្ញុំបើកសម្រាប់ឧទាហរណ៍ជូនបងប្អូនណាបាទហើយ market price គឺជាតម្លៃដែលវាកំពុងតែដើរបច្ចុប្បន្ននេះអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជា market price នេះ การจอยังการจะในสายยังซอดบางคนบาดแต่เบอร์มาคัดไปการล้างคือยังการขาดในสายยังบานบางช็อตได้เวลาปัจจุบันนะบาดให้กระไรลิควิดเดเนี่ยลิควิดไฟไม่ให้กระไรเนี่ยได้จากข้าวและได้จากข้าวไม่ให้กระไรเนี่ยยังได้โพชั่นเนี่ยยังกับพงเธอได้ก็กัดลอยต่างอ้อในตรงฟิวเจอร์จังลิควิดด่าม้ามาเมิร์มาป้อนมาบัวหน่อย$5จังเป็นในแท้วิไอล้างดาวลัดไปยังบางตัวจังเกิดมีล้างดาวเท่ไหมนะจังเป็นอันนี้ได้เจลิควิดคือโดยช่างเหมือนเต้นเย่จังไรนักบางคนเยอะให้มือติดยังไอเซตอัพที่โดยสวายบวชของการกัดชนิดบ้านของคนนักบางคนก็เลยจะเกิดอะไรเนี่ย TPNSL นี่มาเย่จังมันต่อไปจะ TPNSL บางคนเนื้อไหล partial position นี่มีในทายยังกัดคลาจังบางคนเอาไว้แต่บางคนจุดต่อนั่นคือบางคนจะ entire position อะไรกระดานนี่ครับบัดจะอะไร entire position นี่ให้อะไรนี่คือบางคนยอลาทั้งปีทั้งเนี่ยอะไรนี่ลากันยังบางคนบัดยอลา take profit ยังการยังบางช็อตการจอกคือยังจะนั่งจังยัง take profit ยังđã tao đã đầm lái cao là dương của phong này short chẳng thì anh đã bị setup nó đầm lái mà pon 400 ai bị cắt trên ô tô bạn chứ mà sân gì cả năng thế lẽ đau mà pon 400 mình là nhầm trên đánh zone cho 240 cm hai bên trên đánh tạch mấy đôi xa máy chứ nhầm đã tạch bên tay đồng bốn hai bạn ok chẳng man bị chènแบบnăng hay thì làแล้วnhầm cắt khát nhầm gì nhầm cắt khátสำหรับปีป้อนบางทีเวลานับปีป้อนยำกัดขาท่าบ้านจังเราไปได้เวลานับปีป้อนยำหนังขาดโซนจ้อยสายมวยเซนก็ยังบนบ้านยิ่งคนอาเจียที่หอยบางคนโยนบนนอกบ้านพอต่อมาติดไปได้บางคนเซตสไวป์แบบวัดให้บางคนก็ได้จะคอนเฟิร์มมาบ้านเราไปยังจะคอนเฟิร์มนกวีนังใจยังไงนี่เอายัง estimate pin ได้ยังคอร์ดการ estimate ได้เวียมันประกาศตรงเลยไอ้คอร์ดติดตัวยังนะบ้านยังจะสัญญาไฟในมวยม้อบางคนเคยยังไงนี่วิ่งไกลนี่เนี่ย entire position มีในแท้ยืนหนึ่งทัวร์การบัดกัดชนิดโดยสวายแบบวัดโดยดำไหลนี่วิโซเยอะคือยังบนบาดจังมีในแท้บางคนอ่อนกว่าน้ำเดียวแท้บางคนแบบวัวทัวร์การด้วยบางคนแบบวัวไหวมวยจังตัวใบยืดทีมซาไฮโบราณที่เหลือที่กำลังหน้ากับด้อยคือบางคนถูกบ้านทัวร์การเซตอัพดักเวลาสวายแบบวัดได้บาดเอาเมียนการขาดจานจีนังให้ก็เอาเมียนการชนิดจานจีนังได้โดยสายแต่สายยังเซตอัพหายเซตอัพแท้เบิกขาดปันนังเบิกชนิดจีนังปันนังบาดอยู่เลยนังบนนะบาดคือนี่คือจีการเทรดชูเชอร์บาดcác thế chơi chơi những ai đó chỉ nói việc man tụ bây giờ tìm xa cho có những ai đó việc ban tụ bây giờ tìm xa láng có những ai đó việc banแต่สายเลยบางคนนั่งโจจะทีมสายหรือก็ดังถ่ายทีมสายนั่งโจหรือก็ล่างนี่คือเรื่องสำคัญจังยังกับบ้านนายนอบางคนเรียนวิดีโอหรือก็มีเรียนเอกสารอะไรยังบ้านพอจูนหรือก็ลง YouTube หรือก็ลงchannel บางยังให้บางคนคนเรียนตามหนังเมาส์ให้บางคนไอ้สาวเสียบแถมเจ็ดมาบางคนนะบ้านมันบอกว่าแต่ว่าอย่างยังเรียนจืดใจดำเลยนี่เป็นสเตจเติม100%ตีมันได้ยังไอ้ดังใจดำเลยบางคนโยนดังคลาหนังไอ้เชียร์ครึ่งมูลท่านสำหรับบางคนนั่งโยนแต่ศึกษาสบายโยนมันแทนโอเคแล้วยังกับเลยมาเมื่อผิวเชิมแถมที่ได้แต่ยังกูทัวยังไม่ติดที่ได้ยังจังบัตรโพชั่นบ้านกับบัตรโพชั่นบางคนไอ้จะแข่งโคลเนี่ยโคลออนี่ก็มีในไทยยังบัตรต่างอ้อบ้านไอ้เบอร์โคลโพชั่นนี้มุ้ยก็มีในยังบัตรโพชั่นมุ้ยนั่งไงอับเซ็งคืออับแบบบอลจนขั้นยังไอ้บางเชิญโพชั่นในจังนั้นนะบ้านโอเคมุ้ยติดบางคนละก่อนตอนโยอะไรเนี่ยบางคนจะคืออย่างพลูนตัวนี่มืออัดบางคนจะเลยนังเมาส์บางคนนังคืนอะไรเนี่ยได้ไปเจงมาแบบนั่งมีในไทยไปโชว์ไปเปลี่ยนอินดีปลายมาขัดปลายบางคนก็จังบ้านนะให้ก็บางคนก็จะเซลล์มาไปจนลงตู้สับยืงไงให้บางคนอาใจดำเลยด้วยกับคือก็ตกมือไอ้สำหรับคนนี้ยืงพอเลยหนึ่งกรบไอ้จังเตอร์บ้านนั่นคือviệcแบบนั่งบนนะบ้านโอเคแล้วที่หอยยังกระดังยังบ้านนั่งยังจังปัดโพชั่นนะจังบางคนจะเป็นโคลออลนี่มันเนี่ยบ้านจะโคลออลให้บางคนจะคอนเฟิร์มว่าวิวซูไปเจาะยังท่านไหนหนึ่งปัดโพชั่นช็อตนั่งแมนวิวซูอยู่ไปเจาะนะจังคุณก็ยังไอ้ปัดได้ปัดไอ้ยังเตอร์ยังจังปัดเดมันแต่นี่ที่เราจังปัดตั้งวิวซูยังสาวยังจังปัดมันยังคอยจะคอนเฟิร์มว่าคือวินโคลปัดได้คืออย่างเงี้ยโบราณเป็นโคลปัดได้ไม่ได้ใช่ยังปัดโพชั่นนั่งไงเยอะโอเคจังเอาที่เราถ่ายแล้วยังจังทัวร์การบากลองที่หอนะบาทกับบากลองแล้วยังจังบากลองอีกทีเดียวมันต้องถือไม่บาทจังบางคนอัดประมาณได้บางคนก่อนแต่จุดกระไรเนี่ยกระไรเทรดบาทเทรดให้บางคนจุดเนี่ยมือกระไรฟิวเจอร์บางคนนะบาทแล้วยังจุดบางทีจุดมวยให้ยังโยกไรฟิวเจอร์ดิอย่าโอเคจังบางคนเนี่ยบางคนก่อนได้จำนวนเนี่ยบางคนจังลองมาบาทได้ประมาณจำนวนจังลองที่ทำบางคนจังลองโซนจุดแผมอินเตอร์เรียมมันที่หอนะจังกระละกะวิจารณ์ได้บางคนนะบาทกระละกะเวียยังโยดำไหลมาเมินมาป้อนบัวหน่อยจะได้ใจอย่าปีจะเวียสมานังผมใบอ่อยนี่คือจุดมาป้อนได้บางคนนะบาทจังยังโจไซโพชั่นจุดมาป้อนจังยังโจใจโอเพนลองในเมาส์เวียนังโพชั่นเวียนังบักและสไฟแบบวอร์ดบางคนนะบาทโอเคแล้วยังกระทำบางคนเจ็บบางลองบางช็อตได้บางคนถ้าบาดให้ก็จะโคลให้ก็จะได้พี่ลังสต็อปลงได้จังมาสังเกตบางคนเราเมียนจุ่มเงาดูสนุกอะไรนะบางคนอาจชาร์จ private มาย่อมหรือมือก็บางคนอาจจอยกรุ๊ปดำไปทัวร์การสะสมแทนบ้านจังยังบางอาจพยายามใช้จุดบางคนตามระดับเพียบอาจทั ធ្វើបានយ៉ាអូខេអញ្ចឹងវីដេអូហ្នឹងគឺតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេបងប្អូនណាបាទខំថាបងប្អូនចេះ trade ទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយចេះការពីហានិភ័យទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទដូចខ្ញុំបញ្យល់ខាងដើមបញ្ជាក់ទៀតទៅ future គឺមានហានិភ័យខ្ពស់បើសិនជាបងប្អូនអត់ទាន់រៀនសូត្រអត់ទាន់ស្វែងយល់គឺចេះដឹងច្រើនទេបងប្អូនអាចធ្វើការសាកល្បង10 20រៀលតាមតែបងប្អូនគួរតែរៀនចេះសិនទៅកុំអានប្រឡូកវាច្រើនពេកអាចនឹងហានិភ័យឬក៏ខាតបង់នឹងមានការស្ដាយក្រោយបងប្អូនណាបាទចឹងវីដេអូហ្នឹងតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេបើសិនជាបងប្អូនចូលចិត្តកុំភ្លេចចុច like subscribe បងប្អូនណាបាទហើយដាក់រូបកណ្ដឹងផងហើយ share ចែករំលែកផងបាទបើគិតថាវីដេអូនេះគឺអាចមានប្រយោជន៍បាទជួបគ្នាវីដេអូក្រោយអរគុណបាយបាយ